Good morning, kids. I hope all of you are fine. Today we are going to revise few important topics from the first standard. So let's revise. Number names, comparison of numbers before, between and after, concept of tens, place value, ones and tens. First, we will revise the concept of number names from 1 to 20. On this slide, you can see many small pictures for each number. We can take one example. How many number of hearts you can see on this slide? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. So here we write number 5 and in front of it we write its name, that is FIVE 5. Now I think you must have got it. In this slide you can see there are number names from 1 to 100 which you can revise later on. Here another concept which we are going to revise is comparison of numbers. For this purpose we are going to use these three signs: is greater than, is less than and is equal to. To get an idea about how these signs are used, here we are going to see three examples. In the first example, look at this big hungry fish. It is really very hungry. So its mouth is open wide. It has 4 fish on the left side and 2 on the other. But the big fish opened its mouth to eat the greater number of fish, which is 4 fish. Very good. So it goes for the 4 fish with its mouth wide open like this. Can you see the sign? Very good. Hence we write 4 is greater than 2. Very good. In the second example, on the left side there is only one fish of the big fish, right? And on the right side of the big fish there are 3 fish. So hence in this case we can say that the fish turns away from the smaller number of fish. Hence we use 1 is less than 3. Can you see the sign? Very good. Now in the next example we can see the 5 number of fish on the left side of the big fish and 5 number of fish on the right side of the big fish. Hence this fish cannot decide which one to eat now. Hence we write 5 is equal to 5. Can you see the sign? Very good. Now we will move to the next slide. The next concept which we are going to revise is numbers before, between and after. You can see this is the number line which is from 0 to 9. Now we will take one example, that is number 6 on the number line. You can see 5 is to the left of the 6. So 5 comes just before 6. Now 7 is to the right of the 6. So we can say 7 comes just after 6. Now we also can say that 6 is between 5 and 7. Do you understand? Very good. To revise the concept of tens, here on this slide we are going to see one example. So here you can see 9 birds are sitting on the roof. Now one more bird comes to join them. Now they are a group of 10. So 9 objects and one more object make 10 objects. Very good. From this number line, that is from 0 to 10, we can easily see 10 comes just after 9. Okay, very good. Now we will see important topic, that is place value, ones and tens. Here on this slide you can see one table which has two columns, tens column and ones column. Now we know that from 1 to 9 all these numbers are single digit numbers, and after 9, that is from 10 to 99, these are two digit numbers. Hence, one digit number has to be written on the ones place and two digit number has to be written on the ones place as well as tens place. 10 is the first two digit number. Now you can see at the bottom of this slide, it is wrong way to write 10. The right way is shown in the above table. In the next slide, you will see one video which will explain few examples related to place value.
Welcome to Kids Academy.
When we look at a number like 35, each digit in this number has its own value. There's a number in the ones place and a number in the tens place. Let's have a closer look at each number to see its true value. The ones place is furthest to the right. The number in the ones place always equals itself. In our number 35, the 5 is in the ones place. Its value is just that, 5. It is represented by the 5 ones cubes. The next place over is the tens place. The number in the tens place is always 10 times the value the number shown. It's like counting by tens to the number you see. In our number 35, the 3 is in the tens place. We can find its value by counting by tens 3 times. Let's try it. 10, 20, 30. The value of the 3 is 30. Another trick you can remember is to just put a 0 at the end of the number. The 3 in 35 is represented by the 3 tens blocks, which equals 30. In the number 26, the 6 is in the ones place and the 2 is in the tens place. The 6 is worth just 6, which is represented by 6 cubes. The 2 is worth 20 because it is in the tens place and is represented by the 2 long tens blocks. You can count by tens using the base 10 blocks or just count in your head. 10, 20. I'll leave you with a challenge. Can you tell the value of the digits in the number 52? What is the value of the 5? What is the value of the 2? I'll give you some time to think, but if you need more time, you can pause the video and answer when you're ready. Okay, here's the answer. The 2 is in the ones place, so it's just worth 2. The 5 is in the tens place, so we'll have to count by tens 5 times. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. The value of the 5 is 50. Remember to look at the place the digit is in before you decide the value of that number. Thanks for watching, boys and girls. See you next time.
Subscribe to our channel to stay updated on new videos. Find links to our apps in the comments below.
As you have seen in the previous video, here we will see one more example. That is 24. 4 is at ones place and 2 is at tens place. Here value of 4 is just 4. And value of 2 we can find by counting by tens 2 times, that is 10, 20. Hence, value of 2 is 20. Here to explain 1's place, 4 cubes are shown, and to explain 10's place, 2 blocks of 10's are shown, which makes up 20. Okay? You have to write the answers of this exercise. If there are any queries related to place value, you can refer to this link. These are the notes for parents. Please refer to the links given. It will help the kids to understand the concepts more thoroughly. Make sure your little one is doing given homework, activities or exercises regularly. And please stay home and stay safe. Take care. Thank you.